Exploring the functionalities of the Wigtable app with your friends is an effortless endeavor. Today, I'm here to guide you on seamlessly utilizing the Wig application in tandem with your friends. Currently, I'm navigating through the app on my Android device. To initiate the process, navigate to the Wigtable application and tap on the More section. Following this, locate and tap on the Friends section. Upon entering the Friends section, the application prompts you to set up your nicknames. It's a simple step that enhances the personalized touch of your interactions. Once this is accomplished, your unique Vable code is generated, which serves as your identifier. Within this section, you can effortlessly find your friend's codes or opt to add a new friend by tapping on the respective option. If you choose to add a new friend, you can either enter their code directly or share your code with them, prompting them to add you. This streamlined process facilitates the connection with your friends on the app, allowing you to engage in shared activities. Whether you're seeking to discover your friends' codes, add new companions, or share your code for reciprocal connections, the Wigtable app makes these interactions straightforward. I trust you'll find these instructions valuable as you navigate through the app and enhance your social gaming experience with friends.